of Gabon's forest, a green frog stood tall. Muscles taut, chest puffed out, he shouted boasts to all who would listen. Pride radiated from him, and for a moment he believed himself the mightiest of all creatures. Perched nearby, a sparrow tilted her head, watching him with quiet curiosity. Wings slightly spread, she seemed to ask, "Is strength everything, or is there wisdom in restraint?" Driven by ambition, the frog launched into the air, muscles straining as he reached for the sparrow soaring just out of reach. The forest canopy rushed past, and the river below gleamed in the morning sun. Sometimes the desire to prove oneself can push us beyond our limits. But ambition alone could not save him. The current seized him, legs flailing helplessly. Then, unexpectedly, a tilapia nudged him toward safety. Even the proudest among us sometimes need a helping hand, or fin. Back on the riverbank, the wise tortoise spoke softly, shaking his head. Around them, the other animals watched. Strength may impress, but it is wisdom and humility that earn respect. The frog lowered his gaze, bowing his head. Approval shone in the eyes of his forest friends. In that quiet moment, he discovered that true greatness is not shouted, it is felt in respect, in learning, in connection. And so the frog sat quietly by the calm river, surrounded by friends, basking in the gentle sunlight. Peace washed over him, deeper than pride, stronger than boast. Here, in the heart of Gabon, he had found the strength of humility and the courage to reflect. The frog learned his lesson the hard way. Speaking too loudly about your own greatness can pull you into trouble before you even see it coming. Pride blinded him, but experience opened his eyes. When he finally slowed down and listened, he understood something important. Every creature is born with different strengths. Birds are meant to soar, fish are built for the water, and frogs have their own place too. True respect doesn't come from showing off. It grows when we recognize others, accept our limits, and use our gifts wisely. From that day on, the frog spoke less and listened more, and in doing so, he gained something far greater than praise. He earned respect.